to my channel. So I haven't brought my grandma in a long time, like in a minute. So that's what today gonna be. I'm gonna be pranking my grandmother. I'm basically acting like I throwing up blood. They gonna actually be ketchup. But hopefully she don't tell the difference. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. And thank you guys so much on the last video, the support on the last video, because that video had do good. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to drop any more videos. Cause if I want me post fire literally every week or twice a week, let me know video ideas you guys want to see. Put them down in the comments, and I will do them for you. Okay? And like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys into this video. Peace.
You need to say, I have money for you when I come back from this trip, I can start paying you. But what you just said to me didn't happen. Wasn't said. You want to tell me, oh, George, what was said before I asked Mr. Howard his word. Tell me something I don't have. Somebody made a nice gesture. Somebody who's not related to me. Somebody probably doesn't even like me. Made a gesture. And it was made clear to you before I took the check by her that you had to pay a father back. That's what she said. So before you took the check, you knew you had to do that. Very easy. You knew it wasn't a gift. So when you stand in front of them in this living room, did you say I'd write you a check this week? Or right now it's only the time. And I did it. And it's like you don't do nice things for other people.
One eternity later.
What is that? What is that?
When are you asking me?
Okay. Okay. As though you eat tomato ketchup. Why you get
ketchup?
Why you put the ketchup in your mouth for?
To prank you.
Huh?
To prank you.
Chinese?
Prank you.
If I'm going to be sick, and yeah, you know about it? You know about it?
Of course I knew, Granny.
What you do that for? I
Now
want
I
to
really
pee,
can't.
man. Let me go and pee. What? You put the ketchup in your mouth?
Yeah.
So why?
To prank you.
What you mean from?
Coughing up blood.
You don't do that to people.
There you guys. Before this even end this video, one, I'm sorry for the angle. I didn't know it was like that. I really didn't. If I got to fix, I would, but I would try, but I don't think I can. But yeah, sorry for the angle, but wait, do you think this is a fail or a success? I think this was a success. I think this was a success, to be honest. It was a success for me. I don't know. I mean, she did say it was tomato, but I was trying to persuade it like it was actually blood. It was blood. It was blood, Gran. It was blood. Come in! It was blood. But yeah, so I think this is probably like a kind of success. But anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Drop the ideas you guys want to see so I could drop bangers for you guys back to back. Anyway, see you in the next one. Peace.